or screaming at a ghost, and you are absolutely furious about it. But here is the problem. The thing you think is a loophole is actually just the foundation of the entire building. Let us translate legalese into human. A gun is not a gun until the federal government says it is. Specifically, the receiver, the metal box that holds the firing pin. If you buy a 1% incomplete receiver, you are not buying a firearm. You are buying a very expensive paperweight. The so-called ghost gun loophole is not a loophole. It is a feature. The law was written by lawyers who love gray areas. Since 1995, the definition has shifted. You cannot background check a pile of parts. You cannot fingerprint a drill bit. The system only tracks finished products. Gun control advocates claim serial numbers solve murder. Please. Criminals do not care about your paperwork. Gun rights purists claim unregistered parts prevent tyranny. Delusional coping mechanism. You are just emotional children playing with a loaded metaphor. This is narrative warfare. The media sells you a boogerman. They want you to believe that anyone can 3D print a fully automatic weapon in their basement. The reality is terrifyingly boring. You need a press. You need a jig. You need a permit in half the states. Here is the force projection. States are terrified of federal preemption. They want to ban parts before they become guns. The feds say that is unconstitutional. The states say that is necessary. You are watching a jurisdictional cage match. Let us talk about the paper trail. A ghost gun leaves no trace because it was never registered. It never had a serial number. It never asked for your name. That is the point. The law explicitly allows untracked transfers between private citizens. You are mad at a feature you actually support. Constitutional loopholes are not bugs. They are the load-bearing walls. The Second Amendment protects the right to keep and bear arms. It does not protect the right to fill out a federal form. The loophole is just the space between the words. Demographic velocity is why this topic trends. Young voters care about gun violence. Older voters care about self-defense. Algorithm feeds you outrage because outrage keeps you clicking. You are not debating policy. You are feeding the engagement machine. The real problem is not the parts. It is the regulatory whiplash. One day it is legal. The next day it is a felony. You cannot run a business on panic. You cannot enforce a law that changes every Tuesday. The system is broken because politicians love the photo op more than the statute. Stop the delusional coping mechanisms. Gun control advocates think banning parts stops violence. Delusional. Gun rights advocates think untracked metal saves freedom. Skill issue. You are ignoring the actual data. The data says nobody cares about your tribal flags. They care about who wins the argument. The ghost gun loophole is not a loophole. It is a mirror. It shows you exactly how broken the regulatory framework is. Stop screaming at the mirror. Start fixing the glass, or keep playing the game. I will be here when the server crashes.